We all know Ghost Mannequin images are the future when it comes to e-commerce. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create these awesome images using AI tools. Now it's going to be really quick and you'll be mind blown. The tools we're going to be using today are Snappyit AI, Cellopic AI, and the new Black AI. I have links in the description for all these tools so you can try them out for free. Alright, so when you go to Snappyit AI, this is how the interface looks. In order to get the ball rolling, we just have to upload image here. We go to that green button that says upload image. Then we choose an image from our device. Now we are going to be working on a jacket. The last time I tried this, we had issues with the jacket. So we're going to bring back the jacket. Now the cool thing about it is the AI automatically figures out the clothing type, but if it gets it wrong, you can always manually change it. It's never had it wrong for me before, but you never know. So now the style templates are front, side, and back. So you can choose which one. I'm going to choose front, and I'm also just going to choose one photo. Now there are two models you can use, the basic model and then the pro model. The pro model is more accurate, and I can't stress it enough to use the pro model. So all that's going to be used up is 3 points or 3 credits. And all you have to do is click on generate and wait for a few seconds. The last time I did this, it didn't even take up to a minute and my generation was ready. So I feel like it's going to be a similar situation today. Yep, just as I guessed. So now it is done, and I'm just going to zoom in. This is fire. So it got the label as well. It got the details. You can see a little bit of the inner bits of the jacket. And this is really cool. So now all you have to do is press the download button over here to download it. Now, if there were issues or if there were details that were not in the jacket, let's just say it missed a zipper over here or something, you can always go to retry over here and type out the issue to be fixed. Okay, it will take another 2 points, but you can then get it more accurate. You can do more than just clothes with the tool. We go to the plus sign to create a new one, and then we go to upload image. Now I'm gonna upload an image of a bag. So this is just a bag photographed on the floor, and we're going to try and stylize it a little bit. I'm just gonna go for a front. I'll do one photo, and then I'll do pro model as well, and then click generate. It's really a matter of 3 clicks. All right, so our bag has been generated in the coolest of ways. The logo is exactly the same. It got the text for the logo right. Usually AI struggles with text, but this time it worked out very nicely. I like that. It got the straps correct, the strap thing at the top. I love this. This is really cool. Let's try some shoes. I have these boots that I would like to stylize them like this. And if you're into e-commerce, you know the presentation is everything. All right, so these are the shoes, and it gives us different angles that we want. I'm gonna go with that. I'm gonna go with one photo, and I'm gonna go with pro model as well. Wow. These are amazing. They are just like the boots. The color is correct. I mean, it has smoothened it so much. I think this is really cool. I'll download it over here at the bottom right. Now let's try the same exact jacket with Cellopic AI. And when you sign up to Cellopic, this is how the interface is. This is the home page. So in Cellopic, what you have to do is there's going to be a chat box over here, like an agent box over here, and all you have to do is click on templates. Cellopic has a lot of templates, so looking for it manually would take forever. So you just click on fashion, and then Ghost Mannequin is right here, the pink dress. So we're going to upload the same jacket up over there. Now with Sellerpic, you have to manually state what type of apparel it is. So I'm just gonna write jacket over here, and then over here it will tell you how many images you want to generate. I'll keep it at 1, just like Snappyit, and we'll click on use. It's gonna take 1 credit and we'll see what we get. So it opens up some kind of agent chat box, and now the AI is thinking and it's coming up with your design. All right, so our creation is ready. Okay, this is not bad, but I don't really see much of the ghost mannequin effect. So I'm just going back into the agent chat box and I'm going to give it some more information to create a ghost mannequin. So I just said give it a ghost mannequin effect and hoping to get a better result than this. Alright, so now we got it. So it did give us now the ghost mannequin effect, and yeah, it looks pretty decent. I like it, and it has a bit of a gray background and it's square look. When you click on the image, an export button is going to appear at the top right. We just click on that and it's going to give us options of how we want the image to be. I'm going to go with PNG. Now 4K would increase the quality of the export. I'm okay with free download. The quality is okay to use online, which is what I'm going to use it for. Now let's move on to the third AI tool, the New Black. Now the New Black is really designed for fashion. Let's see how that one goes. So this is how it looks when you sign up and you just go to create an AI design. This will take you to the main workspace, and there are a bunch of things you need to select on the left hand side. Now first we want image to image because that's how we are going to be doing it. So we select that and then we go on to the AI helper, which is like what we want to do. So you just have to go through manually and look for create ghost mannequin clothes. We click on that and then the next is to upload the image. So we're going to upload our jacket once more. It gives us 2 options of how the garment is presented, in a lay flat or on a model. It's lay flat, so we're gonna put lay flat over here, and then we scroll now we're supposed to describe what garment it is, so I'm just gonna write jacket over here. Now if it has extra details, if the texture is a particular way that isn't really shown in the image, you can write this out here, but I think it's pretty straightforward. Now we're just going to click on create and wait it out. So it says it's gonna take 30 seconds, and let's see if it actually does take 30 seconds. Yeah, so I don't know what I did here, but it did a similar thing with Cellopic AI in the sense that we don't have that kind of ghost mannequin effect. So let's click on retouch and see. In the retouch space, we can put in a prompt to tell it what to do. All right, so we've given it the prompt to see if it would give it the ghost mannequin effect. So let's wait it out. Okay, it looks like my prompt wasn't great because it just changed the color of the jacket. It didn't give it the ghost mannequin effect. Yeah, so this is not really working very well, but we are gonna download it anyways. So if it actually worked out for you, you can download it over here. There's a tiny little download button on the right corner of the outfit. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all the generations next to each other, and we are going to take a look at them and compare and contrast based on several metrics. All right, so now we have all 3 side by side, and let's take a look at all of them. Now the first image we have is from Snappyit, and it got all the details right. The 2 buttons, the zippers, everything was right on the first try. Let me add that you can see that there are shadows, and you can clearly obviously see that this is leather. Now the next one we have is Sellerpic AI. Sellerpic AI got it on the 2nd try, which is not bad. So I like it too. It got the zippers right, though one zipper is not too visible. You can kind of see it on the corner over there. You can still obviously see that it's a leather jacket, and the design is correct as well. New Black AI, I really don't know what happened this time around. It didn't get the ghost mannequin effect. It did take out everything else besides the jacket, but we didn't get the whole effect of like a person inside the jacket, which, you know, defies the purpose. So it didn't quite work out. I feel like if you are on the paid plan, you get better results because there is an option for paid users to have more refined or more detailed generations. In terms of speed, Snappyit and the new Black AI were the fastest. Cellopic was a tad bit slow. I think Snappyit was number 1 in speed, and then the new Black was number 2, and then Cellopic was number 3. Alright, so now we can't leave without talking about pricing. Now with Snappyit, they have a free plan that's 10 credits. The basic is $10 a month. Yeah, then it has the standard, the pro, and then the pack. The pack is for smaller projects, so if you want to do smaller projects, you can get the pack, and the pack is like a one-time purchase. It's not a subscription type of thing. Now with Cellopic, after you exhaust the free points, you can also buy credit packs. Also cool because you don't have to have a monthly subscription, so after 1 year they expire, but these will definitely be done before the year ends if you're heavy on e-commerce. Now the new Black AI has quite a number of packages as well, and they have packs, they have plans, and then they also have API. So with the packs, it starts from $5, and these are like one-time payments for, like, if, as I said, if you want to have like a project and you want to finish something and you don't want a subscription, these are the pack options. They also have the subscription options, which are monthly, and it starts from about $8 and you get 100 credits for a month. The API is a little more expensive, so you'd have to reach out to them to get more of the information. Yeah, so if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this about AI tools being compared, but let me know in the comments section and I will do more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.